Hey guys, Mike from Backyard RC here with you today. I have a special treat for you. This is one of my favorite airplanes, and I actually don't think you guys have seen this one yet. This is an AeroWorks Yak 55 powered by an ASP 400 radial glow motor. The thing that makes this airplane is the sound of the engine, which you will see. So I'm going to go ahead, build this airplane, get it ready for the day, and we'll be back in a couple minutes with you guys and we'll get in the air. Just taxiing out here now, guys. Now this plane is an AeroWorks, which are known for their amazing 3D flying. However, this one is very scaled the way it's set up. It is not a 3D airplane by any means. It's true to its original roots, I will call it. Good scale power with this motor, but nothing crazy. And a little on the heavier side. Super cool, as you guys will see. And we're off, guys. Let's go play. And the sound of this motor in the air is just awesome. Definitely not underpowered, but it's not powered for 3D either. You'll see that on these vertical lines there. Get the little bit of the torque roll going up at the top. Beautiful sky, beautiful day out here today for September. Next to no wind. Lucky enough to have the field to myself as well, so I can actually hear the sound of this beautiful plane in the air. Just hear that engine purr as it comes by. Something super cool about these radial motors in my mind. Personally, I think the Yak 55 is one of the prettier aerobatic airplanes as well. I've always loved it with the bubble canopy and the rounded tail. Some people are definitely not fond of it. It's kind of an airplane you either love or hate, but like I said, it's always been one of my favorite planes. So nice there for you guys wound out, really let you hear that motor in action. Do another one coming back this way here. Now we're at full power. Definitely something super cool about the sound of these motors. Puts a big smile on my face every time I fly this airplane, that's for sure, guys. Not the craziest, not the biggest, not the most powerful. Awesome in my mind. Guys, we're going to start to come in for our landing here. We're a little on the long side, don't get me wrong, guys, that one would have worked. I don't feel like cranking on the plane to keep it on the field. We have the fuel to go around, so may as well give ourselves a practice there and come in a little nicer this time. Little bouncy, but more where we wanted her, guys. Bring her home here. And we're back on the ground in one piece, which is always a good day in my mind. This again, guys, is the AeroWorks Yak 55M. It's a 50cc model powered by an ASP 400 glow radio motor. It's on a CDI electronic ignition. That makes it run very smooth, also allows a nice low RPM without any issues. And yeah, it's just a beautiful model. I'm sure you guys can see why I absolutely love this plane now, and I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed the flight. Until next time, Mike from Backyard RC, stay flying and driving, guys.